Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Naim Shehzad and you are watching RAC World YouTube channel. Today's video I will explain about outdoor unit service valve replacing. This unit 1/4 valve has got leaked. As you are watching, I have cleaned brazing area already. I have removed carbon from brazing area and now I am going to remove its screw. Now I will remove old service valve by using brazing torch. Old and damaged service valve has removed and now I am going to fix this new service valve. First of all, I will remove this extra flare nut for crossing the air while I will brazing, and second I will remove its Allen key dead caps, and now I will open its Allen key valve so the air can easily cross during the brazing. Now I will also remove its plastic cap and fix it back on its original place by using these two screws. Both screws has been tied well, and now I will fix these two tubes into each other. Now I will start brazing, but there is a point before brazing. You should apply proper water during brazing so it cannot be get heat during procedure of brazing. If it got heat during brazing procedure, it can be harmed or damaged. There is a plastic or Teflon packing in the service valve and it can be damaged, so I will proper apply water on the service valve during brazing to protect from heat. After completing brazing, I will also apply water for some time so it can be cool. I also apply water on service valve. Now it is in normal condition, and now you can watch the service valve of your split AC outer unit has replaced successfully. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a one like. Also share with other friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.